Hi guys, and welcome back to Diamond Paintings with me, your host Mike. Today we've got another Crystal Creations unboxing, and this one came from Amazon. Yes, I'm always looking at ways that I can speed up the dispatch process. Also, with the works you have to pay delivery. With Amazon Prime, you don't pay delivery. So I actually saw this and I thought this is absolutely gorgeous. It was £7, and I thought that was well worth the cost. It's a lovely big size. I am trying to find more of these on Amazon. There is a unicorn, but they're very difficult to get hold of on Amazon. Most of them seem to come from the works. However, do pay attention to the company down here. It's called Hinkler, and they actually come from here. So www.hinkler.com. So as you can see, I suspect you can get a few through there as well. But we'll have a look. I have got another few on the way for these from Amazon, but this is the Crystal Creations, and when I looked at it, it's actually Abura Borealis. I think I pronounced that right, but it's the drills called ABs that have a special coating on. We've got 6,000 crystals here, and as you can see, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I mean, you've got this lovely bright lime green painting, which is what we call a partial, and obviously on the back, if I can try and get this off, just try and see if I can get that off a bit. And on the back of here, you can see, for some reason they tape this on, but on the back, you can see that we've got a photo frame as well, so it's one of them ones. I love these little book ones, but they do take up an awful lot of packaging. Obviously, we've got 12 colours here, mixed between numbers and symbols, and as you can see, these are all the special ones. Can you see all the glittery ones there? So they're all ABs. Which are quite nice. This one actually came with a green pen, so I've got one to join that white snowflake one that I've got. And look how nice this is. Can you see? I won't be able to take it out, but in here we've got two special drills here for the eyes. But look at that. It's like a gold sort of bead or something. That's really gorgeous, so I really like that. As I said, this was £7. It's a lovely, decent size. We've got so much colours on there. The symbols are very clear. As you can see the symbols very clearly. And that was a really, really good purchase. So that's £7. If you want to get it, I'll put the link in the description below the video. This is currently from Amazon, and it is a Crystal Creations thing. So this will be coming to the channel at some point. I'm not entirely sure when, because we do have quite a lot of backlog. The thing is with these is they're very addictive. So why you try and tell yourself, no, I need to get my stash down, you give in. And this is how addictive it is. You just give in and you buy it. But yeah, this will be queued and filmed whenever I can. But yeah, really, really love it. Tigers are one of my favourite animals, so yeah, can't wait to do that. But if you want to get that, the link's in the description below the video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tap the bell if you want to be notified of all the videos I do. And I'll see you next time. Bye.